scanned in real quick on this machine, and then I'll see the chiropractor, Dr. Santos, in a minute. Just 1 minute. This is Dr. Santos. What'd you say?
I said that's a touch screen, is it not?
Yeah, it's all touch screen.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm giving you a shout out at your location too. So that was a surprise. All right, just left. There had a lot of people in there, and I didn't want to I don't want to answer the phone right now. There had a lot of people in there, so I didn't really want to break the camera out. Well, this real sweet girl works up front named Natalie. She kind of helps run the joint. You've seen Dr. Santos, really great chiropractor. I come to chiropractor probably twice a week, I'd say. Get adjustments. It just is really good to line your body out. If you haven't had adjustments or know about them, make sure and start getting them. They're really good for you. Having the wrong chiropractor can be a bad thing. I've went through bad chiropractors, but I've located a good chiropractor. Dr. Santos is real good. I got a buddy out in Canton that's real good, but he's kind of further away. And but anyways, about to go get something to eat. Meet up with a media team, kind of plan some more things out, some trips and different things we're gonna do. So stay tuned, and I got a good credit tip coming for you today. All right, peace out. If you're looking to buy a home, you don't want to make some important mistakes or crucial mistakes I see people make when we're helping them with their credit, is they will actually make these major mistakes. One of the major mistakes I see people make is their score will start going up as we're helping with their credit. Well, they will turn around and go and apply, they'll try to get a house, which drops their credit score. You know, it can drop a credit score 30, 50 points. How does it drop a credit score? Well, what happens is you're getting a new line of credit, so your average life of all your credit drops. That new car is going to report as an installment. There's 3 types of accounts: M for mortgage, R for revolving, and I for installment. It's going to report as an installment. And then say the car is $25,000. Well, it's going to show a $25,000 limit, and it's going to show a $25,000 balance. So you're pretty much utilizing all of that limit, and so that actually is part of why it drops your credit score as well. And then your debt to income is affected, so then you can afford less of a house. So that's probably one of the biggest mistakes I see people make, is when they're getting ready to buy a home in the next 6 to 8 months or a year. When we start helping them, is they go out and they'll buy a new car because their scores are going up, or they go buy some furniture, they go buy this, and I'm like, whoa, stop doing that. And if you go to some car dealerships, I've seen them pull people's credit 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And those, about 5 to 7 inquiries can drop a credit score 30, 50 points, up to 60, 70 points. I had a friend that she came to me, and she had went to, I think, one car dealership, and they pulled her credit 7, 8 times. Her score dropped 60, 70 points. And I was able to help her get those inquiries off. But again, it took about 2 to 3 months, and that was more time than she's able to go apply for another car, and she got approved. But again, those are some major mistakes I see people making when they're looking at buying a home. So as you're going to go look at getting a home, make sure and not make those major mistakes. Don't go apply for anything. Get a secure credit card. If we advise you what card to get to start building your credit, get that one. Keep it paid down, or you can also, if you have any current credit cards, you can just keep them paid down. The closer to zero you have on the balance, the better. And then another good way to help, position yourself is to have somebody in your family or a friend add you to their credit card as an authorized user. If they have a long credit life on those credit cards, that can help you a lot as well. So those are just some of the major mistakes I see people making. Go down and leave some comments below, any kind of questions you may have, and I'll make sure and cover them on a future video. Again, I'm heading over here right now just to get a little massage. It's been a rough day. Muscles kind of tight. But then after that, I have to go meet up my buddy with a trucking company. I finally got all my tags in, so I'm gonna be able to get the truck on the road, get that going. That has been a challenge, but it is what it is. And then I'm gonna go get my workout in, or the second part of my workout. I've already got the first part I'm gonna work out in. So I might give y'all a little recap in the day or something. But if not, we'll have another future video coming up real soon. So just enjoy the rest of your day.